Everyone is talking about Grok and DeepSeek. Some say they're better than ChatGPT. I tested both. Are they actually worth using? Do they deserve a place in your free AI stack? Here's who should use them, and who can skip them. Both tools have surprisingly capable free versions. No paid subscription required to start. But unlike the tools in parts 1 and 2, these two come with specific strengths that the established 6 don't cover, and specific limitations worth knowing before you use them. Here's what surprised me about DeepSeek. It's not just another chatbot. It built one of the strongest free coding models available today, and claims it trained it for a fraction of the cost of comparable frontier models. And you can use it for free. Grok is xAI's chatbot, built by Elon Musk's company and deeply connected to X, formerly Twitter. Grok is free to use at grok.com. The only catch is a usage limit. At the time of recording, the free tier includes Grok 4.5. Image generation and higher usage limits depend on your current allowance. Imagine an earthquake happens 5 minutes ago. Most AI tools can search news articles about it, but Grok can also show what people on X are posting about it right now. When does Grok beat the others? While most AI tools rely on their training data and optional web search, Grok also has direct access to live conversations happening on X, which means trending topics, real-time sentiment, and what people are actually saying about a story right now. That's a fundamentally different kind of information. For students and professionals, if your work involves tracking public opinion, monitoring trends, or understanding how a story is developing in real time, Grok earns its place. One honest note: like many AI systems, Grok has received criticism for some of its responses on politically sensitive topics. So for factual research, it's always worth cross-checking important claims. Now, DeepSeek. Genuinely impressive, completely free. And one important thing to know before you use it: DeepSeek launched its R1 model in January 2025 and quickly became one of the world's most downloaded AI apps, briefly overtaking ChatGPT in Apple's App Store in several markets. The best part? The web app is free, including its reasoning mode, with no subscription required. Where DeepSeek genuinely wins. Coding. It is frequently ranked among the best free coding models for debugging, refactoring, generating code, and writing tests. You also get its reasoning mode for free, something many competitors reserve for paid users. Downsides? The interface is not as polished, and it can slow down when demand is high. Now, the thing worth knowing. According to its privacy policy, DeepSeek's hosted service stores user data on servers in China, which has raised privacy concerns. Because of these concerns, governments, including India, Australia, Italy, South Korea, Taiwan, and some U.S. agencies, have restricted its use on official devices or government systems. Germany's data protection authorities have also examined the service. So, who's DeepSeek for? If you are coding, studying, or experimenting with AI, it's one of the best free tools available. But for client data, confidential documents, or sensitive information, stick with a US or EU-based model. So, do Grok and DeepSeek deserve a spot in your free AI stack? Yes, but for specific jobs. Grok, when you need real-time social context and trending information that no other free tool provides. DeepSeek, when you need strong free coding performance and you're not entering sensitive data. Combined with the 6 tools from parts 1 and 2, you now have 8 free AI tools, each with a specific job. Draft ideas, ChatGPT. Research plus sources, Perplexity. Quality writing, Claude. Google ecosystem, Gemini. Your documents, Notebook LM. Design, Adobe Express. Real-time trends, Grok. Coding, DeepSeek. One job, one best free tool. That's the whole idea behind this series. 8 tools, 8 different jobs, all free. Next week, the AI stack that works differently from all the others. Run powerful AI models on your own computer without paying a monthly subscription. No ChatGPT, no Claude, no cloud, just your own machine. Subscribe. Part 4 might be the most interesting one yet.